7 Steps to Become Rich. Becoming rich requires a lot of hard work, smart work, and yes, patience too plays its part. Well, it may sound nearly impossible for some people. But becoming rich or a multi-millionaire is not an impossible task at all. Things like investing your money smartly and on time, cutting unwanted expenses, and a change in lifestyle can do wonders for your wealth. 1. Change your mindset towards money. When it comes to improving your personal finances and achieving financial wellness, it's 20% skill and 80% behavior and mindset. Their parents' money habits and lessons may be deeply ingrained, strongly influencing their own attitudes toward money. To start changing your mindset towards money, take a moment to assess where you're coming from and where you stand right now with your finances. Consider asking yourself these questions. For starters, what money habits did you inherit from your parents? How did they handle money? What triggers you to spend your money? A raise, for example? A sale? What are your current money beliefs? What's the difference? When you think about your financial situation as a temporary status, you start to understand it's something you can change. In other words, you have income mobility. If you make the right decisions and get smart with your finances, you can start to move up the wealth chain to a higher wealth situation. 2. Educate yourself. This one comes second because it's the most important. The simple truth is the less you know, the more susceptible you are to getting taken advantage of, especially when most schools don't currently provide educational opportunities in financial literacy. So education is key. For starters, make sure you understand basic financial literacy, how credit works and how to build credit responsibly, your options when it comes to financial products and institutions, your rights when it comes to banking and financial products. Basically, arm yourself with knowledge. Sometimes that's your best defense. 3. Have emergency cover. Anyone can fall victim to a medical emergency or some other problem, and this reduces your chances to become rich. One should have a correct insurance covers like medical insurance, life insurance, and other necessary covers in order to safeguard their emergency. 4. Invest your money the right way. The first and foremost step to take in the process of becoming a millionaire as early as possible is to invest your money, and that too, the right way. Do not make it sit idle in a savings bank account. Remember, the power of compounding of interest can take you miles ahead in quick time. Investing requires smart decisions at right time. The person should know what is right for their financial goals and appetite. What was right for your friend may not be the right option for you to invest in. So one should always seek advice from an expert before investing. To give you some ideas, legendary investor Warren Buffett suggested to put 10% of the cash in short-term government bonds and 90% in a very low-cost S&P 500 index fund. So that if the market crash, you will still be fine by cashing the 10% rather than selling the stock with a bad price. 5. Make a budget. A budget is a smart way to make progress fast. The budget ensures you to move smart as per plans. One should have a proper monthly budget to spend, as it ensures no unwanted spending. A budget acts as a map to save more, spending only on necessary items. 6. Stop buying unnecessary luxury stuff. It's a habit of middle-class individuals to buy luxurious goods like expensive smartphones, luxury watches, costly accessories, out-of-budget homes, luxurious cars and gadgets. These expenses can dig a hole in your pocket and stop you from becoming a millionaire. You can look for a budget-friendly car, mobile or accessories which can help you save some money for the future. The worst part of these expenses is the EMI and loans, that never really spares you in a short span. 7. Diversification is important. Almost every rich individual will agree to the fact of investing in a diversified manner. The diversification is an important aspect of investing right. It gives you exposure to many options like real estate, stock markets, mutual funds, a commodity like gold and silver, government schemes, bonds, debentures, etc. This way, if one investment option fails, at least the others will give good profit. If you like this channel, please subscribe. and comment, press the bell notification for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.